Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is of sugar glazed coconut cake. The exact measurements are given in the description box below. Let's get started. The first part. We are going to sift all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda. Next is coconut milk powder plus corn flour. This gives the cake a tender texture. After this step, add a pinch of salt and desiccated coconut. Mix it with a spoon and keep it aside. You are done with the dry ingredients. Let's move on for the wet ingredients. It is important that all the ingredients are at room temperature. Let's start by creaming the butter. Once you cream it for about 1 minute, it will become soft and pale yellow in color. Then add the condensed milk and blend for about 2 minutes. Guys, this is a homemade condensed milk. I usually don't prefer using the store-bought ones. If you want me to put up the recipe, let me know in the comments section. Once it is blended, then add in vanilla essence and blend for a minute. Halfway through the process, so let's move on to step 3, that is the cake batter. Start adding the dry ingredients in parts and combine using the cut and fold method. That is, scrape the sides using the spatula and push it in the middle. Keep doing it until the flour is well combined. When you add the second part, add the white vinegar and continue the process. The vinegar reacts with the baking soda and helps the cake rise. Add the last part of dry ingredients and then combine well. After the dry ingredients are completely mixed, pour in warm milk. Keep on mixing the batter till it is smooth and has a dropping consistency. Well, the cake batter is ready to be baked. For baking, the first thing that you will need to do is grease the cake tin. Apply butter and dust flour. Make sure to cover all the edges properly. In the meantime, preheat the microwave at 180 degrees Celsius for about 8 to 9 minutes. Pour the batter in the greased cake tin, place it on a low rack and bake for about 40 to 45 minutes. While it is being baked, let's move on to the exciting part, that is the sugar glaze. In a bowl, sift powdered sugar. There would be no crystals or lumps once you do so. Add butter and start whisking it in a circular motion. Gradually add milk and whisk till the sugar is well combined. It looks so good. The silkiness and the shine are just perfect. Add vanilla essence, give it one last mix and it's done. Let's check on our cake. Insert a toothpick. If it comes out clean, it indicates that the cake is baked perfectly. Demold after 15 to 20 minutes, that is after it has cooled down. Doesn't it look great, guys? It has come out so soft and spongy. Now I am going to layer the cake. So here I have a thread. So what I am going to do is wrap it around the cake edges. Make sure that it is exactly at the center. Cross over the thread ends and pull on the opposite side. Keep pulling and you will see that the thread cuts through the cake. This is a method that I use because no fancy equipment, guys. Once you get the layer, start pouring the sugar glaze and sprinkle some desiccated coconut. Make sure to cover the layer generously with the desiccated coconut. This is going to give you that in-depth flavor of coconut. Cover it with the top layer. Keep pouring the sugar glaze till it is well covered. After done, again sprinkle the desiccated coconut. Cover the entire cake to enhance the flavor. Congratulations, your homemade coconut cake is ready. I hope you liked the recipe. Thank you for watching Gharwala Cuisine. Do like, share and subscribe for more interesting recipes. See you next time.